Welcome to Option Trades today. I'm Tony the Baptiste. I have a trade idea for you today, August 12th, 2025. But first, as we always do, let's take a quick look at the market. Even the S&P's having a whopping big day, up 48 handles just off of their highs of 64.51. NASDAQ up 200. And your leader in the clubhouse on a percentage basis is the Russell, up 200, 44.60. Volatility anemic, trading down to 16.10, 16.15 right now. New lows on volatility, down 80 cents. Key on volatility, if volatility catches a bid, which it hasn't all day long, then maybe you'll get a little bit of sell-off off of these highs. If not, if it continues here, the E-mini S&Ps and the rest of the market, in my opinion, will continue to rally to new heights. All right, what are we going to do with a market at all-time highs, basically just about all-time highs everywhere, and every stock getting hit? Well, we take a look at our IV rank here on this high option volume list, and you can have it randomly set, or you can set it low into high. You see negative numbers here, or high down to low. That's what I do. I'm going to save us some time for finding a trade. ENPH up 74 cents, a big 2% move on a relatively low price stock. So I got a couple of trades for those playing at home here, but look at what's happening here. No earnings looming for the month. IV rank of 37, one of the highest IV ranks on the board, not the highest, but look at this IVX 5-day change, up 11% over the last 5 days. That means this volatility, the historical volatility over the last 5 days, has been rallying. We like to sell premium when volatility is going higher, and with the market going higher, volatility is doing nothing but going lower. Here is a stock that has volatility expanding. Let's take a look at what's going on here. Now, it is solar. Maybe you feel for that or not. Maybe you hate it. Maybe you love it. If you love it, you're going to like this trade. Well, if you like solar, you're going to like this trade. If you love solar, you're probably going to do one of the other trades I'll suggest. So let me show you what I'm doing. I had a little bit of a rally over the last 4 days or so, and it's continuous rally today. Since I was doing this trade and the stock is higher today, I was going to go with just a naked put in September, something like sell the 30 puts, completely delta long. Let's change this from probability of a touch and last price to delta simply by clicking on it and going to delta. I like to sell around the 30-ish delta strike when I'm looking to get just long a stock. So this would fit for me. But since the stock has already had a rally over the last couple of days and it's rallying a little bit today, I'm going to sell both sides with a little bit of long delta. Not a lot, slightly long delta. I'm going to sell the 30 put and the 40 call. I did it for $262, which was mid-price at the time. There it is. It's mid-price right now. I was able to get filled right at mid-price. Market's here to 2 to 4 cents wide, fairly tight ENPH. Sometimes they'll open up to 5 or 6 cents wide, as you see right here on these 40 calls. So work your pricing. I put it in at 262 and was able to get filled. If I remember correctly, the mid-price might have been 263 when I put it in. I got filled at 262. But again, a little bit of long delta, 4 long delta, basically a 60-40 probability of success, meaning a little bit higher than 50-50 shot. $6.5, $6.6 in theta decay, a low $340 in buying power for the $262 in credit. That's a great risk versus reward on buying power, not necessarily risk, because of course your max loss is infinite. Your max profit's what you paid for this. What would I be looking to make on this? 50 cents, $1. That would be probably a home run for me on this trade. What could you do if you wanted to use less buying power or even the same buying power and having defined risk? Well, you can go out about $10 on each side and do this iron condor. Look at the buying power. It's basically the same. Look at the pop. It's basically the same. But if you're risk adverse or you're in an IRA account, you don't want to use all that extra buying power by selling a naked call, because you can sell a naked call in the tastytrade platform at the tastytrade brokerage firm. If you can't sell naked calls in your account, well, move your account. Move your account to Tasty Trade. That's why we do all this for free for you. I mean, that's how we keep the lights on here. So I got a 40-50 iron Condor here that you can do. You certainly could take a look if you wanted to and do like a Jade Lizard in here. You would not be able to collect the width of the strikes, $5, and that was why this would be one of the trades I would not be looking to do. But again, 50-50 shot, collecting a little extra premium here if you're more neutral to sideways action in ENPH. That might be something you should do. But for me, it was really just the Strangle here, the 30-40 Strangle. I got filled at 262, right where it is right now, where you too could probably get filled. But you know what? I've already asked you once. Don't make me ask again. Please open, move, transfer. Bring your account, ACAT transfer in kind, your account to Tasty Trade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy. Help us keep the lights on here, and more importantly, help us keep everything at Tasty Live free for you, our viewers, no matter what brokerage firm you use. No other brokerage firm does that to you. Only here at Tasty Trade.